How to remove a Google account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Besnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can remove a Google account. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. In order to remove a Google account, what you need to do is you can simply head into your device settings. You can scroll down the notification bar, tap on the settings with the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Under settings you want to scroll down and you want to look in for the option that says manage accounts. Now here you can see accounts and backup. You can read the manage accounts, and down below you can see Google. Don't get confused, you want to head into the option that says accounts and backup or manage accounts. Once you tap on it there, you can see the first option, the manage accounts. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll get a list of accounts saved on your device. Simply tap on the particular Google account that you wish to remove, and then you can see the remove account option there. Simply tap on remove. It'll ask you for confirmation. Confirm it and you'll be able to remove it. So this way you can remove a Google account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.